So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding about opacity property. So let's understand it. So basically it is used to show some transparency on an image or on a background. So let's say I'm adding an image of the Tekken 7. This one, I can add an alternative text. Let's say Tekken. And now for this image I can have some styling. I can give it a width of, let's say, 400 pixel. If I see in the browser, you can see the image is there. Let's increase it a little bit. You can see it is increased. The opacity property will actually make it a little bit transparent. So if you specify 1 here, which is the default value of any element, it means that it should be fully visible. If you decrease that from 1 to 0 or between 1 to 0, then it will become less visible. So if I decrease more, you can see a little bit opacity is there or the transparency is there. If I decrease that to 0.5, now you can see it is very transparent or opaque, you can say. If I make it 0.3, it will be more transparent. You can see that. So it is having a transparency effect. But if I add 0, then it will be completely invisible. Now you can see that. So that's why you can have any transparency intensity you want. Between 0 to 1, you can specify whatever transparency you want. So it is basically used sometimes for styling purposes. We want some styling, and we can also change this opacity on hover as well. So let's say if I want to change the opacity property on hover, I want it to be fully visible, so I can add 1 here. So normally it will be having this 0.7, but when I hover on that element or on that image, then it will be having the complete visible image. So if I save it, if I hover over that, you can see it is completely visible. If I remove my mouse or go back in the white area, then it is a little bit transparent. Similarly, you can do this for any type of background, whether it be a background color. So you can create a box and you can specify the background color there as well. So both the thing will work, like the hover one and the simple one will also work there. So basically opacity property adds some transparency on the background of an element. So this is it for this video. I hope you got something about this opacity property. If you have some problem or issue, you can comment down. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.